Hello and welcome back to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets simplicity. Today we are diving into something everyone loves: thoughtful handmade wooden gifts. If you have ever struggled to find the perfect gift for someone special, this video will show you how simple, affordable wood projects can become meaningful presents that people actually love to receive. And the best part? You can make them yourself, even if you are just starting out with woodworking. There is something timeless about giving a handmade wooden gift. Unlike store-bought items, wooden pieces carry warmth, texture, and personality. Every grain, every pattern, and every finish tells a small story. Whether it is a birthday, housewarming, wedding, or holiday season, a wooden gift always feels special, because it comes from your hands and your heart. Now, let us talk about what makes a wooden gift truly stand out. It is not about being perfect or fancy, it is about purpose and emotion. People love gifts that are useful, stylish, and personal. So, when you create a wooden piece, think about how it will be used and what story it tells. 1. Personalized items. Something as simple as a nameplate, an engraved cutting board, or a small photo frame can mean a lot. You can customize it with initials, dates, or short messages that make it one of a kind. Even a plain block of wood becomes meaningful when it carries someone's name or a memory. 2. Practical but elegant pieces. Everyone appreciates a gift they can actually use. Small desk organizers, key holders, or coasters are great examples. They are easy to make, functional, and stylish, perfect for both men and women. You can even bundle them as gift sets by mixing wood tones and finishes. Wooden decor accents. Think of small shelves, wall art, or candle holders. These pieces add warmth to any home and never go out of style. The best part is that even simple designs can look store-bought with the right finishing touches. A bit of varnish, polish, or paint can go a long way. 4. Nature-inspired gifts. Wood naturally connects us with the outdoors, so pieces like wooden plant holders, vases, or mini wall hangings fit beautifully into modern homes. They give that cozy, organic feeling people love, especially during holidays or special occasions. 5. Sentimental crafts. Sometimes the most loved gifts are not expensive or big, they are emotional. For example, a small wooden keepsake box, a framed quote, or a handmade heart sculpture can carry personal meaning. These pieces tell the person that you spent time and thought creating something just for them. The beauty of wooden gifts is that they are timeless and gender neutral. They fit into any home style, rustic, minimalist, or modern. And because you can customize the size, color, and design, every gift you make becomes unique. Now, let us talk about creativity and finishing. You do not need expensive tools to make these projects. Sometimes a simple hand sander, glue, and varnish are enough. What matters most is the attention to detail, smooth edges, balanced shapes, and clean finishes. You can also experiment with combining materials. Add metal hooks, leather straps, or rope handles for a modern look. Paint parts of the wood in soft colors or use stencils for a decorative effect. These small touches turn a simple wooden gift into something professional looking. Another great idea is to reuse and recycle wood from old furniture or scrap pieces. Not only does this make your project eco-friendly, but it also gives the finished gift a story. Something made with care from reclaimed materials always feels more meaningful. If you are planning to sell your creations, handmade wooden gifts are also great for craft fairs and online shops. They are small, easy to ship, and appeal to people who value quality and authenticity. You can even offer personalized options, which adds value without increasing material cost. But beyond selling, the joy of gifting something you made yourself is priceless. When someone opens a box and finds a handmade wooden item inside, they can feel the effort and emotion behind it. That is something no mass-produced product can replace. Here is a helpful tip: presentation matters. Wrap your wooden gifts with natural packaging like brown paper, twine, or a small dried flower. It complements the handmade charm and makes the gift feel even more special. Sometimes, how you present your creation makes as much impact as the gift itself. The more you create, the better you will get. Each project teaches you something new, from cutting and sanding to painting and styling. And soon you will find your own style, maybe rustic and natural or modern and minimalist. Either way, your creations will reflect who you are. So, the next time you wonder what to give someone, skip the store-bought options. Look at a piece of wood instead and imagine what it could become. a memory, a decoration, or a lasting symbol of thoughtfulness. Because when you make something by hand, you are not just giving a gift, you are giving a part of your creativity and time. Thank you for joining Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this video and want more creative, affordable, and heartfelt woodworking ideas, do not forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell. Your next great project might be just one piece of wood away.